Alright, now that we've done that a couple times, we can now combine it with the law of cosines and use those two together to find the area of triangles. So if we have two sides and the included angle, we can use the law of cosines to find that third side, and then use the three sides and Heron's formula to find the area. So let's start off with a side of 12, side of 20, and the included angle being 56. We're going to set c squared equals 12 squared, or 144, plus 20 squared, or 400, minus 2 times 12 times 20 times the cosine of that angle, which is 56. Okay, and then we'll say c squared equals 544 minus 480 times the cosine of 56. Okay, and then we're actually just gonna wait to multiply this out till as late as possible so that we don't have to do as much rounding. So c equals the square root of 544 minus 480 times cosine 56. Okay, and we can punch that into a calculator, and we get c equals 16.6. Okay, and that makes sense. You know, we've got a triangle with sides of 12 and 20 and an angle that's pretty close to 60. So a side of 16.6 is not too far-fetched. I think we got it right there. Now we can use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. So S, we're going to set that to 16.6 plus 12 plus 20 divided by 2. That's going to equal 48.6 over 2. Which in turn equals 24.3. Okay, now we can use that, the square root of S times all those other, so the area equals square root 24.3 times 24.3 minus 16.6 times 24.3 minus 12 times 24.3 minus 20. Okay. We can use division here. We'll simplify those real quick. 24.3 times 4.3 times 12.3 times 7.7. Okay, I did those out of order. this 4.3 is from over here, and this 7.7 is from this one over here. But it still ends up being the same. Multiplication doesn't matter which order you do it in. And in order to reduce the need for rounding before the final answer, I'm going to multiply these together and take the square root at the same time. And that comes out to 99.48 for our area of this triangle. So just to summarize real quick, we use